Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Electricity Sector Recovery Project, Design, Supply, Installation, Testing, and Commissioning of 3.5 MWp Solar PV Power Plant. The Federal Government of Somalia, with financing from the World Bank, has announced an invitation for bids for the Somali Electricity Sector Recovery Project, identified by Project ID P173088. This project, known as the SESRP, aims to enhance the electricity infrastructure in Somalia and is being managed by the Ministry of Energy and Water Resources. The specific project contract, identified by reference number SO-MOR-459178 CW-RFB, involves the design, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of a 3.5 MWp solar PV power plant, coupled with a 7 MWh battery energy storage system for the Galkayo Electricity Company, GECO, located in Galkayo, Galmudug State. The notice was published on January 3, 2025, with a submission deadline of February 15, 2025, at 10:30 a.m. local time. This procurement is being conducted through a request for bids method, utilizing a two-envelope bidding process, without pre-qualification. The Ministry of Energy and Water Resources, serving as the project employer, will manage the contract payments through the direct payment disbursement method, as defined by the World Bank, with the exception of payments handled through letters of credit. Interested and eligible bidders are invited to submit their sealed bids for this significant project by the specified deadline. Contact information is available through the ministry, with Liban Ali Ibrahim as the key contact person, whose details and other relevant information is on the ministry's website.